again. Can we please give them a big round of applause? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for Sometimes and Miss Ara.
And now, Universe! It's time for the most awaited moment. Today marks day one as we answer the question, who will be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
We officially introduce the remarkable women who will compete for the most prestigious title in the Philippine pageantry.
Miss Universe Philippines 2020 is Miss Iloilo. Miss Universe Philippines 2021 is Cebu City.
Miss Universe Philippines 2022 is Pasay City.
Miss Universe Philippines 2023 is Makati. Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is
Please welcome the official delegates of Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
Batangas Province.
Princess Ryla Valeriana Hernandez, Cabanatuan City, and the Filipino Society of Alberta, Canada.
Day, Province of Cavite.
Johnson Sala Kanya, Cavite Province.
April Smith, Cebu City. Cebu Province.
Teresa Marie Angelina Gambalan Westrom, Cotabato Province.
Tyra J. Bedino, Dasmariñas City.
Trexie Paris Rojas, Iligan City. Cherise Leanne Mandolos, Pakairan, Ilocos Norte, representing the Filipino Society of Hawaii.
Zesta Shalud Espinosa, Iloilo City.
Mindy Diversified Province of Iloilo.
Pinalashbay Park, Calibo, Aklan. Isabel Cecilia Alvarez Crafts, Laguna.
Happy Day of Pulsar, Las Piñas, Filipino Society of Norma. Ayan, University, La Union.
Pareo, May Cabal, Playtag.
Scarlett and Vanessa, Los Baños, Laguna.
Ashley Subirano, Montenegro, Luciana, Laguna. Justine Beatriz Melizarda, Manila.
Henry Montero Yodo, Mountain Province.
May Marshall, Muntinlupa. Alex Goldenares, Province of Negros Occidental. Fatima Alsoyed, Negros Oriental.
Michelle Cantocabacho, Nueva Ecija.
Jacqueline Alunig, Nuevo Vizcaya, representing the Filipino Society of Washington State.
Let's give another round of applause to our stunning ladies.
We are honored to welcome a woman who has not only captured the hearts of Filipinos, but has also inspired many people. Please join us in giving a warm welcome to our reigning queen, Miss Universe 2025 third runner-up, Maria Atisa Manalo.
Everyone, thank you for being here for the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 candidates. It's a momentous event for all of them because it's their first day, and we just want to thank you for being here, witnessing that. But more, my message would go to the ladies. I know it's your first day, being Miss Universe Philippines 2026 candidates. But please don't forget that it might be your 1000th day of Miss Universe being your dream. So don't forget that this is your first day in making sure that you reach Miss Universe. So always have that mindset in you that you're not competing locally, you're preparing to compete internationally to represent the Philippines. And while at that, please don't forget to bring out the best of your provinces and the cities that you represent. And you're gonna get carried away with everything that's happening around you. This is gonna go by so fast. Now it feels like there's months ahead of you, but in an instant, it's gonna be gone. So please don't forget to, parang ate ko, please don't forget. Please don't forget to remember to enjoy. You're living your dream. I know for a lot of us, Miss Universe is our dream. So don't forget that while you're fighting for the crown, remember to enjoy, like, the company of each other, the organization, because it's a once in a lifetime, well, twice in a lifetime for me, but once in a lifetime opportunity for a lot of people. A lot of people dream to be here, and a lot of people, you are chosen to be here. So good luck to whoever is going to be my successor. I already know that whoever the organization and judges are going to pick, you're going to represent the Philippines well. So I'm just excited to see your journey, all of you.
Thank you so much, Lisa. We are truly grateful to hear those words, and your journey truly lights the way of our candidates.
And now, let's capture this unforgettable moment. We invite Latisa and all our delegates for a group photo. Thank you so much, Latisa. Let's continue as we welcome someone truly special to the stage. Let's have the property director of City of Dreams, Miss Tex Parado Aranda.
A beautiful afternoon to everyone. Today, we witness the beginning of the new Miss Universe Philippines journey, one shaped by ambition, purpose, and possibility. At City of Dreams, we believe in dreams brave enough to be pursued. That is why we proudly stand with Miss Universe Philippines, honoring women who rise, lead, and shine on the world stage. This moment is their first walk, built on dreams, bound for the universe. To our delegates, we are honored to stand with you at the start of this extraordinary journey. Ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set. The Miss Universe Philippines 2026 journey begins here. Welcome to City of Dreams, Manila. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lisa. Your words remind us that dreams are celebrated, courage embraced, and every moment holds the promise of something extraordinary.
We invite Miss Tex, Latisa, and all our delegates for a group photo.
Miss Universe Philippines Executive Vice President, Sir Javier Chalep.
Good afternoon, ladies. First of all, I want to thank you and I want to welcome you on behalf of the Miss Universe Philippines organization. And good afternoon, to our media outlets, our media allies. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are amazing. To my fellow directors, mabuhay. Somebody's distracting me. I think I guess what that is. Thank you to all our friends, our sponsors, and all the special people that are here. It's truly heartwarming every time we do this. It doesn't get old. We get old, but this doesn't get old. Now, no, we don't. Okay, I'm sorry, that is not credit. We don't get old. Now, in Miss Universe Philippines, you guys started with a bang. You had a parade earlier, and tonight, and today is Chinese New Year, Tommy Pachoy. And I hope that the luck tonight truly continues to carry you all the way to the finals. Now, if you were wondering why they're wearing pink and red, we decided on the pink and red because it was between Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year. That explains that. Mine doesn't mean anything. Now, first of all, I want to give thanks to this guy who doesn't get the credit that he deserves. He's elevated pageantry beyond what any of us would have expected. And I'm one of those people that, as a little boy, as a little kid, I dreamed like, oh my gosh, what an amazing guy. Our president and CEO, Jonas Gakwe. Mama Jane, please take a bow. Do you want me to come down and ask you? No, but seriously, behind the scenes, what nobody sees is the immense pressure and stress. It doesn't show in his face. But the immense pressure and stress that he goes through every single year to come up with this Miss Universe Philippines, from paying the franchise fee to producing a wonderful final show, and also to endure all of the bashing that